Lagos, Nigeria's economic capital, is the most populous state. The city has grappled with transport challenges for many decades, including taxes and levies imposed by federal, state, and local government tax authorities. It is a fact that in civilized communities, people must pay tax. But talking about multiple taxation on commercial drivers and motorcyclists has created a hostile business environment for many businesses in Nigeria. Its impact on taxi drivers and motorcyclists have become unbearable. Are the monies collected by transport unions regarded as tax?
Tax is a compulsory payment that is levied against residents of the state. It's totally different from what the unions collect. But the dues that are paid by the transporters to the unions are what it is, dues. So it's totally different from tax.
The crude way of collecting money from that, the body concerned, I mean the commercial drivers and the transport owners, is not tax. It's a very crude way. It's not allowable.
How much do you pay to Agberus on daily basis?
We pay at most, sometimes per day we pay about 1,600.
Here we paid 700 naira per day. So there in Aguda, we pay 1,100 naira.
We pay ticket for Aguro 500 naira. If I leave this area, I reach like Mushi or Ideraba. Now another ticket we go buy.
It might interest you to know that commercial bus drivers and Okada riders have to pay exorbitantly to remain in the business. It is more worrisome where different taxes or levies are on the same income or profit base. The cost of dues vary, but commercial drivers say they generally pay three types of dues: the booking, loading fee, and tickets.
The booking fee is 300 naira here. Why Aguda is 300? So ticket here is 200. Why Aguda there, the ticket is 900 naira. There was a time that government issued only one ticket. That time at least we enjoy it. That only that ticket, government they do collect 800 naira. So it affected the Agberu.
If a government can work in collaboration with a transport union, whereby the issue of tickets, the fee will be brought down to a very reasonable amount.
This extortion stifles socio-economic growth in the state, as these taxi drivers have to pay through tooth and nail to remain in business. What is your organization doing to checkmate this extortion for tax purpose on bus drivers and motorcyclists?
We want to try and bring them into the tax net and make sure that they are, fulfilling their own part of the social contract, which is to pay taxes, which will help to develop the society. To sanitize that sector, we needed a holistic approach. We're looking at the state trying to tie in the taxes, personal income taxes, against other services and benefits that could go to the transporters, to their members. So creating a sort of one-stop shop. So under this initiative, the government expects that on a daily basis, there will just be one ticket.
What the institute needs to do is just to make representation that this issue of transport and tax has to be addressed. It has to be addressed. The commercial drivers are not being taxed, knowing fully well they belong to informal sector, and even the car owner too are not being taxed. How do we tax them? This issue of issuing ticket from one point to another should be eradicated. Instead, let us have a centralized ticket point whereby you obtain your ticket for plying that road on daily basis.
The power of taxing people and their property is essential to the very existence of the government. Transportation is an essential part of human activity and in many ways form all basis of socio-economic interactions. Therefore, Multiple taxation on commercial drivers and motorcyclists should be looked into, as these extortion stifles and kills businesses and cripples socioeconomic growth in the state.